How's it going, YouTube family? It's your host with the most, more money, more problems. Ha! Did you notice how I changed my slogan from less problems to more problems? You know, got a little bit of money and problems started to come in too. So, you know, we figured we'd change the slogan to more money, more problems. Alrighty, so what are we going to discuss about today's episode? We're going to talk about the different resets that are available to you in your settings. Alrighty, everyone, grab your phones, go to settings, go to general, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page where it says reset, and there you can see all the resets that are available to you. So the first one is reset all settings. Now, what does that do when you reset all settings? So I'm sure this has happened to all of us at one point where we start messing with our phone, we toggle something on in the settings, and we forget later on how to get to it, and something's messed up on our phone is in silent mode, we don't know how to take it off, and all of that stuff. By resetting your settings, that will take you back to basically factory settings when you get your phone when you unbox your phone brand new, and the default settings basically will take you back to that. So if you have any problems setting wise that you don't know how to fix, just go to your settings, go to general, scroll all the way down to reset, and reset all settings. Alrighty, next option is erase all content and settings. Now this option will factory data reset your phone to its factory settings. So you know when you buy your phone brand new and you open it up and you turn it on, it takes you to the hello page, and you select your language, you select your country, and then you set your phone up. If you erase all content and settings, that would basically take you to that page. It would erase everything off of your phone, it will wipe everything off of your phone. And if you don't have a backup of your information will be gone forever. Alright? Now the next reset is network setting reset. So what does network setting reset does? Network setting reset helps with any connectivity, basically defaults. So if you have trouble connecting to the internet, if you have trouble connecting to Wi-Fi, if you have trouble connecting to any Bluetooth, what you want to do is you want to do reset network setting, and that will kind of reset those settings for you and give you a better chance to reconnect. Alrighty, next one down is keyboard dictionary. So this one is if you guys have added any new words to your keyboard that you want to remove but you don't know how to remove, you just go to your settings, go to general, scroll all the way down to reset keyboard dictionary. Okay, so fifth reset on the reset list, reset home screen layout. Now this is for your home screen and your lock screen. So if you have any pictures in the background that you've put on that you don't want anymore but you don't know how to remove, or if you've done any modifications to the home screen layout reset, that would take those settings back to home screen basically. And then the last one is the location and privacy. This one might be the most interesting to everybody because wherever you go on your iPhone, it saves those locations. It's kind of like a privacy thing. So if you guys want to get rid of all those locations, what you want to do is go to your settings, general, scroll all the way down to reset, and click on reset location and privacy settings. Alrighty, with that being said, that brings us to an end of another episode here at the Phone Lens channel. Before we let you guys go, if you like this video, make sure you click on the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you will know when we release new videos for you. Also, leave us some comments. We would love to get to know you and give us some ideas on what to do next for you guys. Alrighty, have a blessed day. See you guys next time.